This is the extra large silicone mat, and this one is white. I don't know why I thought it was gray, but it's not. It is white, and I ordered it to use in my craft room, when I'm gluing and pasting and, doing various craft projects, especially my candle making. And candle making is what I'm doing right now, and I wanted something, um, just to protect my work surfaces from the all of the materials that you use when you're making candles. It's a little thinner than I thought it would be, but I mean, it'll get the job done. I have silicone pieces that are thinner than this, and they work just fine. But the size is nice. The width and the length provides excellent coverage, so you'll be able to do large projects. Like I'll be putting my hot plate and all of my candle making tools, and there's enough room for me to put everything on here, so it gives full coverage. Um, and also, if I want to work downstairs in my kitchen, I can put this on my kitchen counter and do my candle making there. So it's a nice product. It may be difficult for you to see it because it's white and it's shiny on one side and then matte on the other side, and so you know to, put the shiny side down on your surface and then work on the matte side. And one of the other great features of this mat is that you can fold it up and put it away when it's not in use, so you don't have to leave it out, and if you have to put it away, you can fold it up, as I've done here, and stick it in a drawer. So that makes it very, very convenient for crafters who maybe you have a space that you're using, it's doing double duty. Like you're working on your craft space is your dining room table or your kitchen breakfast table, then this would be a great solution for crafting in the kitchen. And when you're done, you can soak this in warm water to clean it, and all of the glue or anything that's dropped on the mat will just wash away. And then you can let it dry, fold it up, and stick it in the drawer, and you're good to go. So I'm 100% pleased. It's a sturdy, durable product, and it is totally fit for purpose.